morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope that everybody is fine. So we are in day 8 of Christmas, and today I want to show you guys my pajamas. We have a couple of pajamas, family pajamas, and let me tell you guys, this is one of my little things that I'm kicking off the bucket list, if it's making sense. So unfortunately, this is one of those, so I'm just gonna try and hide it. Actually, this festive season is so beautiful because all the time I just feel like squish it. But anyway, I have like some little update. My baby just went and got his vaccine, his first year vaccine, which was long overdue, and he's feeling so cranky. And I'm really contemplating. I don't know whether I should include him or not, or should I just be patient and do this video when he's fine. Because I don't want to stress him up and down with the changing of the pajamas, changing of the outfits and all that. I just can't bring myself to do it, because he can't even walk, guys. He's just a little sick. So in case I change my mind and I decide not to include him, you might just see me and my husband. But for the sake of it being a whole family, you guys might see the whole video tomorrow. So when tomorrow comes and you don't see me looking like this, looking all glammed, just know that I changed my mind and did the video probably tomorrow. But I decided I'm gonna do an intro for this particular video so that I don't forget just to check in. Oh my god, this face bit is so good. And guys, I'm becoming better, okay? I'm becoming better. I'm getting better at my makeup every single day. Like, let's take a moment. I'm getting so much better. You remember when, guys, I used to complain and talk about I can't find my perfect shade, I can't blend this all together properly based on the season and all that. But now, who is this? Anyway, as usual, oh my god, look at the perfect set of teeth. I'm so beautiful. Oh, mashallah. Anyway, you all need to learn how to appreciate yourselves. Anyway, guys, let me just go and attend to my baby. I haven't even eaten, and I feel like it's almost like the end of the day. That's why I've been cutting weight left, right, and center. I'm gonna see you guys when I see you. I might see you guys today or in the evening. That's my baby. Okay, Papa, let's go. Say bye-bye.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.
Hi guys, how is everybody doing? So it's me again. It's been a couple of hours. I've done a couple of things, a number of things, and today is Christmas Day 8, I guess. Today is day 8. Guys, I've been filming every day. It's when we are in day 8. Today is day 8, and it's one of those days for me, guys. I am feeling so low. I'm literally under the weather, but my spirit is not under the weather. I don't know if you guys can relate, whereby your body, your heart, your soul, everything is just like, no, we've had enough. But your mind, your heart, your just something else, I don't know which one it is. It's just like, no, we have to keep pushing. Let me sit right here, guys. I prefer this place. Ooh, lighting. I prefer this place. I don't even sound like I'm low. I'm so low, guys. I'm so low. So I was trying to make myself feel better. So I went out. I took Starbucks because I love Starbucks. I'm currently having like a very good relationship with Starbucks right now. And the only thing I'm taking is hot chocolate with cream. Today I tried hot chocolate, cream and caramel, something like that, and it turned out amazing. Oh god, my hand, I didn't carry my tripod. Let me see, I have packages I have some packages, guys. I'm going to try and unbox with one hand so we can see what's in here. First, this is from Shein, which I don't know what it is. I haven't ordered anything from Shein. I have actually, guys. I've ordered something from Shein, but not a single piece, if that's making sense. So, can I put this right here? Is it gonna work? Yeah, it's gonna work right there. So let's try and unbox this. It's gonna be like a mystery box because I need to figure out what's there. So let's do it now. This is for me, really, because it has my name. It really has my name, guys, but this is not for me. I didn't order something like this. To be fair, I always have paid partnership with Shein all the time. So maybe they're the one who bought this. I don't know, man. Or maybe my husband. I don't know. I didn't order that. Because when I got at the reception here, and then they said that my package is here, I wasn't having it. I was like, from Amazon? Because I had ordered something from Amazon. So, but again, to be fair, I always order almost everything all the time. What is this? Oh, guys, this is actually mine. This is something I ordered from Amazon. Truly, I ordered this. And how do I open this now? Because I don't want to go to the kitchen. My baby is there. I don't want to wake him up. We're gonna just do that. Okay. I don't know if I've told you guys, in our apartment we have a new Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys know, because in the type of apartment that we live in, we always celebrate every occasion. So it's Christmas, so they've put up the tree already, which is so cute. Like, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. It's so cute. It's giving. Oh no, did I just spoil it? Gotta act like a lady. Gotta act like a lady. I see this on TikTok so much, and if you guys already know by now that I'm easily influenced when it comes to TikTok girlies and TikTok something. Just tell me this. It's gonna make your content look good. This is gonna make you look great, and you have my money. Cause tell me why I was buying this. Ooh. Okay, I bought this yesterday, and also I bought it because they said they have like the next day delivery. And okay, so this is like a what? Like a phone something. Okay. I see it, but so sorry about the bad quality at the moment. Okay, that's just about to change right now. That's just about to change. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna tell you guys a story, something that has just happened to me now. Let me see, how do I turn it on? Oh, it's worth it. I'm gonna switch off all the lights, guys, and then I'll come and switch this on. Okay, but give me a sec. Just give me a sec. So everywhere is dark, guys. I want to see if this light is actually worth it. So let's go. Ooh! I'm a certified TikTok babe. Ooh, how is it? Can you imagine? So I'll just be like, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are fine. It's so cute. I'm looking so good, and I actually thank God about this. This was a good purchase, so worth it. And now I'm gonna influence you guys. It can be charged. It comes with this. Like, look. Ooh. It's so cute, and it comes with this. I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna figure it out. So I can actually take it and put it right here, clip it right there, and then create my content like that, just like so. Say hi. How is everybody? Let me just go and turn back the light on because I don't want to waste it now that it has to be charged. And I'm also a believer of, the back then they will tell us that if you buy something new that requires charging, you have to charge it for at least 5 hours or 2 hours. I'm still a believer of that. So I don't want to spoil this light. I'm going to charge it. Coming. I really want to film with this light, but now I'm kind of obsessed. Like, look at that. Look at the difference that it makes. Like, guys, come on. You guys are sleeping. Anyways, I was telling you guys that this is one of those days, and I didn't want to vlog about this day, honestly, but I just figured that because we're doing 31 days, of course, there are those days that are just not giving what they're supposed to do to give. And if I don't vlog about it and say it and put it out there, then I'll be lying, and I'll be a person, yeah. So I decided I'm gonna vlog this day. This day was so slow and so cool, and like I told you guys, I'm feeling so low. I'm just so under the weather. It might not show. It might not show, guys. Also, my baby had gone to be given his first year vaccine, and he was given 4, 2 on each thigh, and it's crazy, man. He's been crying. He doesn't want to move. And we ended up not shooting the pajama videos that I wanted to do. So it's going to be on day 9, I guess, because day 8 wasn't a success. And apart from that, when I was from McDonald's, is it McDonald's? No. Where is this place? It's not KFC. Starbucks, sorry. When I was from Starbucks, so I was seeing this guy like following me from the back. At least that's what I thought, because he was following me. I'm trying to like run, and then he's running after me and all. So I said, God, today I'm done. Then he actually just caught up with me. Then he's like, yo, hi, how are you? I'm fine. Are you okay? I'm okay. How's your night? So we started to chat and talk, and it ended up really nice. He's such a cool guy. He actually told me that he's homeless, and okay, the thing is, he was so happy, like he was so jovial and so happy, and we were just storytelling. Then I'm like, yeah, this is where I live, and I'm gonna go, like I'm now going home, like bye, stranger. Then he says, oh, that's good for me. I'm currently homeless, so I'm just walking around. I'm gonna visit my aunt and see if I could get somewhere to sleep. I'm like, oh, well. But anyway, I'm sending prayers, I'm sending hugs, and I'm praying that his situation is gonna get better in future. Okay, yeah. Anyway, guys, now I'm gonna show you our Christmas tree in the lobby, because it has arrived. It has arrived already. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for the love. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. For now, enjoy the Christmas tree. Bye.